Okay, so what exactly does a coach do? Here it is. Okay, so these are, in my opinion, the key functions of a coach. First and foremost, you got to ask questions, right? And as physicians, we are already well equipped to do this. This is what we do all day long. So my job as a coach is to ask my clients empowering questions because I don't have their answers. So this is a key difference here between coaching and being a physician. So as a physician, you're used to patients coming to you and saying, "Hey, doc, I have this, I have this, I have this. What's going on?" And you're able to tell them, "Okay, here's the differential, here's the workup, here's the meds, come back and see me." This is different because I don't have my own client's unique answers because I don't live her life. So, as a coach, we get to help them figure out their own answers. We provide them guidance, we provide them expertise, we provide them tools and concepts, but then they go and try it out. And then they come back to the sessions and bring all of their obstacles to you and you strategize together. So, again, that's a key difference. It is very much a partnership. Okay. And again, one of the key pieces here is to help the client build awareness, right? Like you can't get where you're going if you don't know where you're starting from on the map. And oftentimes our clients have no idea where they're starting from because they're so busy, they don't know. And so our job is to help them build awareness of where they are right now so we can meet them there and help get them wherever it is they want to go. All right. And again, the other thing that we do as a coach is really help them move forward. All right. So some of our clients inevitably will bring issues from the past to your sessions. Okay. And as their coach, it's our job to help them continue moving forward. So again, one of the things, we're going to get into it in a minute, but when we have clients that are continuously reliving their past, that's a key flag for me that perhaps this client would benefit from therapy. Because again, if they are so rooted in the past and it's getting in the way of them moving forward, then that may be a reason to have them see a therapist. And then last, I want to help my client figure out the root cause of her problems. So I think about it this way. I often have clients come to me and they're like, "Hey, what do I do? Do I do Noom? Do I start intermittent fasting for the fifth time? What about keto? I think that might work for me again." That's answering part of the question, right? That is the how. How do I lose the weight? But what I think is a much more empowering and useful question is, why are you overeating in the first place? Or, "Hey, I'm sleeping through my alarm. I'm not doing this. Which exercise plan is best? How do I build the best booty?" That's not the answer. That's not the right question. The question is, why aren't you exercising? What is getting in the way of you exercising? So do you see the difference here? The difference is getting to the root cause. And if we are able to help our clients do that, then we're going to able to help them find much better answers than starting keto for the fifth time.